Last time we have discussed about the types of errors, and we have seen truncation error, round off error, propagation, absolute, relative and percentage error. Today, to clear these errors, we will discuss some examples. First example, if w is equal to f function of xyz, which is equal to 3x square y upon z, find the relative maximum error when delta x is equal to delta y is equal to delta z is equal to 0.001 and x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. So here we have been given w is equal to 3x square y upon z. So we can say that del w upon del x is equal to 6xy upon z, del w upon del y is equal to 3x square upon z, and del w upon del z is equal to minus 3x square upon y upon z square. So delta w is equal to 6xy upon z into delta x plus 3x square upon z into delta y minus 3x square y upon z square into delta z. Now, taking the absolute value of both sides, since the errors delta x, delta y or delta s may be positive or negative, we have mod of del w is less than or equal to 6xy upon z into delta x plus 3x square upon z into delta y plus 3x square y upon z square into delta z. So delta w will be equal to 6xy upon z plus 3x square upon z into delta y plus 3x square y upon z square into delta z. So this is equal to 6 plus 3 into 0.001, this is equal to 0.012. Also w is equal to 3x square y upon z, so this will be equal to 3. And when x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1, then del w maximum upon w is equal to 0.012 upon 3, which is equal to 0.004. Now next example, find the relative error in the following function. W is equal to k into n1a 1 n2 a2 up till nm am. Here w is equal to k into n1 a1 n2 a2 up till nm am. So log w will be equal to log k plus a1 log n1 plus a2 log n2 plus am log nm. So if we differentiate this equation, we can say that del w upon w is equal to 0 plus a1 into delta n1 upon n1 plus a2 into delta n2 upon n2 plus am into delta nm upon nm, where delta n1, delta n2 up till delta nm are the error positive or negative in a1, a2 up till am respectively. So relative error will be equal to a1 delta n1 upon n1 plus a2 delta n1 n2 upon a2 plus am delta nm upon nm, which is less than or equal to a1 mod delta n1 upon n1 plus a2 mod delta n2 upon n2 and so on up till am mod delta nm upon nm. So first case, when w is equal to k into n1a n2 a2 n3 a3. So log w will be equal to log k plus a1 log n1 plus a2 log n2 plus a3 log n3, or we can say that delta w upon w is equal to 0 plus a1 delta n1 plus a2 delta n2 plus a3 delta n3, and relative error will be less than or equal to A1 mod delta N1 upon N1 plus A2 mod delta N2 upon N2 plus A3 mod delta N3 upon N3. Now second, if we put K is equal to 1, A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 1, A3 is equal to 1 up till AM is equal to 1. So we can say that W is equal to N1, N2 up till Nm. So delta W upon W will be equal to delta N1 upon N1 plus delta N2 upon N2 plus delta Nm upon Nm. So relative error will be less than or equal to mod delta N1 upon N1 plus mod delta N2 upon N2 up till mod delta Nm upon Nm. Thus we see that the relative error of a product of n approximate number is therefore equal to the algebraic sum of the relative errors of the separate numbers. Now third case, if we put K is equal to 1, A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to minus 1, A3 is equal to 0, A4 is equal to 0 and so on, this is equal to minus Am. So W will be equal to N1 upon N2 and relative error will be equal to delta N1 upon N1 minus delta N2 upon N2. Thus, the relative error of a quotient is equal to the algebraic sum of the relative errors of the divisor and dividend, but the error is the sum of the errors. Now, alternately, this is the second case. We can do like this also. As you see, we can solve if delta W is less than or equal to 2 N1M upon N2 into 1 minus M, where M is the maximum value of delta N1 upon L2 into delta N2 upon N2. Now rounding of numbers. Now we know that pi is equal to 3.1415926, under root 2 is equal to 1.4142134 and E is equal to 2.71828,182. These figures on the right are approximating to the true value if the number on the number on the left. Suppose it is desired to round off a number correct to n significant figures, then we have to follow the following rules. Discard all digits to the right of the nth place. If the discarded number is less than half a unit in the nth place, leave the nth digit unchanged. Discard all digits to the right of the nth place, and if the desired number is greater than half a unit to the nth place, add 1 to the nth digit. Third, discard all digits to the right of the nth place. And if the discarded number is exactly half a unit in the nth place, leave the nth digit unchanged if it is an even number, but decrease 1 by 1 if it is odd number. One thing to remember, if a number is correct to n significant figures, then the absolute error cannot be greater than half a unit in the nth place. For example, if the number is 3.1416 is correct to 5 figures, then absolute error 0.0001 into half, this is equal to 0.00005. The relative error in a number correct to n significant digit is obtained. We will discuss the theorem next time. Thank you.